Hi students, this video is to help you organize your dashboard by creating a nickname for your courses so that you can identify your schedule easily from your Canvas dashboard. When you look at your Canvas dashboard, you notice that all of your courses are labeled with the course name, a block, and your teacher's name. Some of these look a little different because your teachers have grouped your classes together, and it can sometimes be hard to tell which class you have during which block. I want to show you an easy way to keep your schedule organized using your dashboard. First, I've got a copy of my schedule right next to me. So I know that my U.S. History Mr. Dodge is my 1A class. So I'm going to click on these three dots right here, and you'll see that there's an option that says nickname. I'm going to type History 1A, and then I'm going to type the time that I have this class right here and click Apply. Now, on my screen, I see History 1A and the time. I know that I have Science on 1B, even though it says 1A here. So I'm going to click on my three dots, and I'm going to say Science 1B, and this one also meets from 8 to 9:10, and then I'm going to hit Apply. I have pre-algebra second block both days, A and B, but I'm going to say Math 2AB, and I know that meets from 9:25 to 10:35, and hit Apply. As you can see, as I change my courses, my schedule becomes much easier to see. Third block, I have English, so I'm going to change this to English 3AB, and I know that that meets from 11:55 to 1:05, and I'll hit Apply. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to change my last two. Art meets during 4A, and fourth block is from 1:20 to 2:30. Last is my PE class, and that's 4B, and that meets again from 1:20 to 2:30. And now I can hit Apply. I can also move my courses and put them in order. So I can say move, and I want to move my history course to the top because it's first block. And I want to do the same thing with my science class. I want to move that to the top. And then I've got my math class here. I'm going to click and hold it, and I'm going to drag it next to my first block classes. So now I have my first block at the top, second block, third block, and fourth block, all in order. So now when I look at my dashboard, it's very easy to see which courses I have during what block, what time they meet, and they're all in the right order.